So this is 1, this is 2, this is 3 steps. Yeah, in a first step we got these symptoms. Yeah, what is the remedy? Yeah. What's the remedy? This is what I meant by isolated, fragmented, non-connected, not coordinated. Right? PQRS symptoms. Maybe some at mental level you can say. Let's say this is at physical particular level, this is at physical general level, this is at mental, and this is at holistic level. Okay? So when I say holistic level means what? This is the one which is present everywhere, no? Yes? So what I do? What is the aim of step 2? To find the focus, to find the key, to find the anchor. I got the anchor, so I said, okay, this is it. Now to find out what? Step 2 is coordinated connection, right? So how will I know that coordinated? Where patient does this. Yeah? So I know I am on a right track. Things got coordinated and connected. Let's say patient threw here some defenses also. Okay? So I knew very good. I knew verbal and non-verbal started coming together. Yeah? So I know very good. Now I start something known as third step. What is the aim? To get everything would get connected and coordinated in a one single pattern, one single other song, which is them. All PQRS symptom would come together in a single song. Yeah? All got connected. Anything left? You understand? Here it was humanly impossible to tell what is the remedy. Only those who do only repertorization can tell. But that also it's analysis, no? It is because how can you analyze this and would be difficult. I'm not saying some masters are there who can do it, but very difficult. Very, very difficult. That is why when we find a remedy at this level, take one peculiar symptom at this level, one peculiar one, but still we don't come to the whole. It is like this, that you take all the ingredient which is there in the sperm and ovum. Can you make a human being? Still not. I'm sure after some time scientists may find out. You understand, but still not. Humanly impossible. Can you make a virus or a bacteria? They have made now. Laboratory virus. But it is humanly not possible. Even though we know, can you take all the chemicals which are there in rose petal and make a rose? Not possible. Same is our, when we do repertorization and materia medica at initial level. Whole, impossible. That's why they say there is a difference between, sum total of all together and the whole. Even though you take every part of human being and put together, it is not still whole. You need to get that whole out. That is why people differ at this stage. That is why nobody come, because somebody would see this part and say this is the remedy. Maybe this is like a beak, so this may be bird family. Somebody would say, oh, this may be nothingness or dot, or they would go, oh, this may be something, Everybody would have a different interpretation of it. Nobody would. That's why our teacher gives that example of from Rumi's, it was also there in Dr. Shankaran's book about that elephant, 4 people watching elephant in a dark room. One touches the, but I want to add there something, one touching this, so say this is this, one that is a pillar, one say this is a fan, right? But they are not seeing the whole, no? That's what. But also they don't have a candle light with them. They just need, you know what? A single candle light to see the whole. They don't even have to interpret. That is what the case taking is all about, that candle light. Just to put a light so that everybody can see it. Just only thing is missing is candle light. So here everything is there. Yeah, you understand? Everything. This is what I meant. Many times what people do is, you know what? In the end, they pick up, suppose, this symptom, okay? And they go on with this symptom. And they say, okay, this symptom is, and they say, oh, this looks like a snake. Yeah? In the end, because they kept pursuing only one symptom. Yeah? But then you ask yourself a question, what happened to this? This was also peculiar, this was also peculiar, this was also peculiar, this was also peculiar. What happened to all this thing? You will say, no, they were just in the beginning, not important. Only this. That's why it is very important that all peculiar symptoms get joined. That's where you will know you are on a right track. Otherwise, you will just keep stretching something and you say this is a spring. Give him a spring.